Hey guys, it's Ivy. It's time for Dollar General's any day deals, and they are awesome this week. We're going to start right here with the Kool-Aid. They're $2.50. The Jammers is 10 in a box. You'll pick up 4 of those. It is a deal. Spend 10, save 2. That's the instant coupon. Let's look at it. So scan it. When you scan it, you see that there are $2.50, so you need 4 boxes to total 10. And then you have a coupon. Spend 10, save 2. That'll take it down to $8 or $2 each. That's an awesome deal because I haven't gotten them below that since the clearance. So grab 4 of these. Okay, more liquids we're coming to, guys, and we're going to come right here and see. This is what I don't like. Somebody comes in and they cleans them out. Remember, I told you early activation yesterday. I hope you guys watched that ad preview because I tell you stuff you can early activate. And this is one, so I'm not gonna pick this up, but I'm gonna show you the deal. They're 2 for $5, and they have also a deal: spend 10, save $3. Okay. So if we scan it, they $3.60. They are on sale, 2 for $5. And then they have an instant combined with it. Then they have a coupon. Spend 10, save 3. So you will pick up 4 of those. So let's go. $10. Pick up 4. Take your $3 off. Leave you 7 divided by 4. You'll pay $1.75 each. Okay, our helmets is $5 right here. And when we scan it, we see that it's $5. Has a $2 coupon, making that $3. Okay, that's an awesome deal. It's cheap. If you can find that helmets with olive oil in it, you're gonna get it even cheaper than that. Go right here to the Nature Valley biscuits. They are 2 for $6. Originally $3.95. Look at all the coupons we have. We have $1 off 2 for $6. So they lowered them 2 to 5, making those $2.50 each. Okay, guys, hold off on the Gatorade because they're 4 for $5. Now we're gonna have a coupon, 5 for $5. And the Powerade. The Powerade is something you can grab today. Scan it. You're gonna see that they're $1.40. We have $1 off 5. They are 3 for $3. You'll pick up 6 of those, and you'll get $1 off of 6. So that's $6. Take that $1 off, leave it at 5, divide that by 6. You're gonna pay 83 cents each for them. That's a good deal too. I'm gonna pick those up now. Okay, guys, another any day deal. The Irish Spring is on sale for $5.35, and we have a $4 coupon. Then we also have another spend 15, save 5. Now hit that coupon. I want you to open it up for a second. Look at that. If you can find that $4 Irish Spring, that's an even better deal, and it's a couple of them. Then you can find the $4.95 soft soap. That's a better deal than the $5. Guys, I want to show you an inflation change with deals. The Dove, it was $5. It's $5, but look at the coupon. They lowered it 4 off 2 instead of 5 off 2. Inflation. That's what's hitting us. Yeah. So we're gonna do some more deals now. I talked about this deal. Well, we're going to get these right here because I don't want no unsweetened tea. I'm going to grab 4 of these. These are Lipton sweet teas. They're originally $2.50. Now, these are 2 for $5. There you go. So that's they lowered them to this price. All right, so let's grab these. Then when we scan it, we see that they're $2.50. And you have a spend 10, save 3 on Lipton and tea products, okay? So when you do that, they're $10. You're gonna take 3 off. 7 divided by 4, $1.75. So you can get these. I just don't want unsweetened, or you can get those. So you can mix and match them. I can't even mix and match them because all of these are unsweetened. Okay, let's get to our next deal. Okay, guys, now look at this right here. Powerades are 3 for $3. Okay, so we're gonna grab 3 of those. I'm gonna grab 3 for $3. So we're gonna grab actually 6. Okay, and my boys are back in football, so I need plenty. And let's scan it. And when we scan it, we said that they're $1.40. They have $1 off of 5, and then they're 3 for $3. Okay, 3 for $3. So let's do the math on that one. So there's 6. So 3 for 3, that's $6. They're gonna take $1 off 5, leave it at $5, divide that by 6. You're gonna pay 83 cents each for them. And I think we went through that deal already. So if you see it repeated, that's why. Okay, guys, let's look at another any day deal. Now I told you it was tons of coupons. We're gonna look at the degree, the one that's $4. $4 right here. We have a $3 off 2 coupon manufactured. Let's do the math. So that's 4. 4 plus 4, that's 8. Take away your 3, leave you at 5, divide that by 2, that's $2.50. Now that's not all. We're gonna come right down here to the swab. See that swab? $3, and then it's save 2 when you spend $6. So you need to get that up to 3. Let's scan it. Okay, they're $3 for the swab deodorants, and you have 2 coupons. Dollar General, spend 6, save 2, and then you have this coupon, $1 off of 2. So that's $3 you're gonna get. So you're gonna get it for $6. Take that 2 off, but you already spent 6. And then you're going to take that 1 manufacturer coupon off, leave you at 3, divide that by 2, that is $1.50. Okay, if you do that on Friday, you know you have to cover that $2. The Saturday deal, you have to cover that $2. It's an awesome deal. Guys, this deal will be ending on Tuesday, and you're going to be seeing this on Wednesday. So sorry if you didn't get this deal, but I couldn't get it out to you soon enough. What you're going to do is pick up 1 DiGiorno pizza and 1 Pepsi. All they had was Diet Pepsi left because they cleaned it out. But you can pick up 1 DiGiorno pizza. Make sure you scan it because it's going to tell you which one you qualify for that deal. When it scans, you are going to, there it is, $5. You want to make sure this coupon pop up. When it does, hit it and open it up. And I'm sorry, guys. Now the deal is Tuesday on a 7 days of deal. They are 2 for $10, but if you buy it today with the free pizza, you'll get both of these for $5. That's what the deal is. Okay, but it's Tuesday. You're not gonna see this until Wednesday, so I'm sorry about that, guy. Make sure your soda match. So I'm gonna pay $5 for that. Now some more any day deals is going to be the Tombstones, 3 for 3 right here. Grab those. Remember, it's also any day deals for me, and it's more 7 days of deals. Don't forget it. Okay, they are originally $1.25 and instant 3 for 3. Okay, now Wednesdays is buy 1 get 1 free on the pens and journals. It includes pen bar items, assorted varieties available in most stores. So anything from 75 cents to $8, supposed to be a BOGO. And then on Thursday you get the 2 for $5 Dixie plates. On Friday you get saved $3 on the off boat. And then the fans, originally $20, will be $12.